Want to learn how to reset the password of your Spotify apps account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address, enter here spotify.com. This will take you to the official website of an Spotify app. Now, tap on these three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner below this crush bar. Tap on Login, below Sign Up. Since we have just forgotten our password and we are trying to reset the password of it, and we are trying to reset the password of our account or recover it, tap on Forgot Your Password. Now you need to enter email address or username. Tap on email address or username. I'm going to enter my email address. You can choose of your own. Tap on the square box in front of I am not a robot to provide a confirmation for a security process. So it has been confirmed that we are not a robot. Now tap on Send below. A message has been sent to you by email with instruction on how to reset your password. Make sure to visit your email address to get the password reset message. I'm going to do mine. You can do of your own. So I'm onto the home page of my own email address, and on the top I do have a notification from Spotify for resetting my password. I'm going to tap on it. You can choose it just like this. You have an option of reset password. Tap on reset password. So here it is. Now you can create a new password and repeat that particular new password to reset it. When you're done doing both, now you need to provide confirmation that you're not a robot once again. So tap on the square box in front of I'm not a robot. So you can see that it has been confirmed that I'm not a robot. Now tap on Send below. So you can see your password has been updated and your new password has now been set and you're now logged in. This is how you reset the password of your Spotify apps account or recover your old Spotify account. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.